You need to remember that there are no set defined rules with life. Of course, you want to have like a moral compass and hopefully you have good morals. But when I mean rules, I mean, is there a guidebook, a handbook, a rule book that God sent you down here to earth with that says you have to be poor for the rest of your life? That says you have to be on this struggle bus for the rest of your life? Is there rules set in stone that say you're going to be nothing special in life and you're going to be in poverty for the rest of your life? That is actually so silly. And I had this realization come to me while working. There are no set rules in life. That's why we have some really mean rich people, because they feel like they deserve money. Believe it or not, there are people out there that don't have a moral compass. And I believe that the people out there that have money that aren't good people have a belief that they deserve money, and money just amplifies who they already are. So they're just evil. It's not the money that makes them evil. They're just corrupt and don't really have a moral compass. Money is just a tool. So you deserve to have money, especially because you're a kind-hearted soul. Think of all the good you can do in the world. Also, another example that came to me while working, spoiled people. People that grow up spoiled. People that grow up with a silver spoon fed to them. They have a belief system that they deserve to have everything handed to them. And that's why being friends with people who grew up spoiled can be very, very annoying. Good when it comes to a manifestation aspect, but just like sometimes really fucking annoying and irritating. I want you to understand you get to create your own rules that you want to live by. You can start telling yourself, I deserve to be wealthy. I deserve to make money doing what I love. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be in the best relationship ever. Sorry, I should have mentioned I'm on my walking pad, so I don't really know how well the noise cancellation is. I need you to start abiding by these new rules, these new laws for your life. You only allow the best people in to your life, to your energy, to your home. You are only available for the best scenarios, for the best opportunities. Another new rule that you should live by is life gets to be lived, experienced, and life gets to be magical. Life gets to be fun. You get to prioritize joy. You get to prioritize happiness. You get to create the life that you want to live. What are the rules? I'm telling you, your future does not have to look like the past. The only way the past is going to repeat itself is if you keep playing the game of life by the rules you created for yourself. But this is your life. This is your game. You get to make up the rule. Who says you have to stop living, manifesting, having fun when you hit a certain age, when you hit 45? Who tells you that you cannot? Who gets to say what you do with your life? Who gets to have autonomy and authority over your life? Nobody but you. Again, we are so loyal to the limited versions of ourselves. All day, every day, we tell ourselves that we're ugly. We tear our appearance down. We say having a good life is only for God's favorites. We say having money and fame and success is for the lucky people. But remember, no soul is better than the other. So everything has to be ran by belief systems and through identities. So just take on a new identity. Method act as the version of you that you know your soul came here to be. And the more you do this, the more it becomes habitual. It becomes who you are without even having to think about it. Let me know some of your new rules down in the comments. What are you choosing now for your life? Just want to nail that into your head. That you get to reinvent yourself. You get to change your life. You get to manifest a future that your past versions didn't even and couldn't even comprehend and didn't even think were possible and didn't even think existed. I want you to shock yourself. I want you to stop wasting your potential. I want you to dig deep into that soul and muster up all of the magic and confidence and joy and spread it out everywhere you go, every day for the rest of your life. Because your life is meaningful. Your life is valuable. But you're not seeing that for yourself because you're still under society's spell. Why are you going to live your one life under society's spell? Why are you going to live your one life being that version of you that society tells you who you are? How are you going to live your life being the person that society tells you you are? This is your life. Be magical, be extra, take up space, dance in the middle of the street, have that brightest smile on your face, spread love, be a beacon of bright ass, unconditional love and light in this dark world. Every time you think a limiting thought, I don't want you to have pressure, I don't want you to feel like you messed it up, I don't want you to feel like you messed up manifesting. I don't want you to feel like you ruined your manifestation progress. I want you to calmly choose the more empowering phrase and stick with it. And whenever you find yourself having a negative thought and assumption, calmly just change it. That's my approach. Cancel that. That's a residual limiting belief from somewhere in my past or past versions. It's not who I am. Calmly change the thought. I want you to start playing by new rules for yourself and for your life. You are truly limitless. You beautiful icon.